We have some big news, great news coming in. India's first all-women CISF battalion. Modi government has approved this big Nari Shakti push. Women who will be guarding India's crucial infrastructure as part of the elite women commandos that will be guarding airports, metros and crucial security points in this country will be guarded now by Women Force, the Women CISF battalion. Shivani gives us a little more clarity on this. Shivani, certainly a big boost to Nari Shakti here. The Modi government has given an approval to assemble the Women's CISF battalion at crucial security points, be it airports or metros. They will act like VIP or VVIP guards. Tell us more.
Nabila, this is a big move by the government, and they have sanctioned an all-women CISF reserve force that will be comprising of around 1,000 personnel of the CISF all-women force. And this will be one of its kind elite commando force that will be deployed at important establishments throughout the country. And in fact, after giving sanctions, Home Minister Amit Shah has also put out a post at X. He has appreciated Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of giving equal opportunities to women. And this CISF force will be very soon, it will be in function in full strength because the recruitment and the training is already going on as we speak. So this is a big move in terms of giving equal opportunity to women, and CISF all women reserve force will be a very important and crucial elite force.
All right. This certainly does enhance women's participation in crucial areas, including right here providing security in key crucial points. This is certainly a big push for women in nation building. Nari Shakti push there by the Modi government. India's first all-women CISF battalion to be assembled at key security points.